G'day, you Rip Roar and Bonds of Beauty Mobile legends. Uncle Jojo and the Hunky Heath Minor Factor. Here we are putting a shower base in today. Quite a lot of bathroom areas have walk-in showers. We're going to have a pre-made shower base that we're going to be installing here. It's made by, do you remember who it's made by?
Ooh, no.
We'll figure it out for you, we'll get back to you. So it's a pre-formed shower base. So everything on that shower base there is pre-formed up, including having our little bits and pieces. We've waterproofed underneath it and we've made sure that everything runs underneath and through. When we do our waterproofing, we want to make sure that the waterproof is no broken seals, and that if any water does leak, it all falls into a trap. So everything will fall into the sewer, grey water system or the sewer system. We've got to be very, very careful and make sure that we do that properly. Now, the reason I like to do a pre-formed shower base is it's one of the leading problems in new homes now is that everybody has a walk-in shower. You've got to remember the grout work on tiles is porous, which means water gets through it. If we have a walk-in shower and the waterproofing underneath hasn't been done, or if there's a little bit of movement and something's split or cracked, water will egress into that and it'll start rotting away our subfloor frame. By doing this type of a system, we don't have any of those problems. Water's falling on it constantly, day in, day out, and we don't have any problems because there's no gaps in any of that, and any chance of water getting away from that all falls onto our waterproof and into that puddle flange or anything that we've got underneath in position for the water to escape. No water will sit in the area. So that's why we do this type of a system. If you've done any renos or extensions, and you've pulled apart an old home that was built anything from 1940, they've all had pre-made shower bases, and there's never any rot around those. There might be inside the wall if water's leaked in them, but you'll never get any around or underneath those if water hasn't got into it. That's because they're already completely sealed. That's what we want to go for. Any questions or queries about it, flick it over and I'll answer for you best I can. Otherwise, stay tuned and, like always, stay unreal banana peels, and I'll see you in the suit.